Hi guys, this is Bhavit in Ranganathittu bird sanctuary. So you come here and you can enjoy the day very nicely, and it will close at 3:30 in the morning. Actually, the sun will set, no? That thing. So, as I told you, there is another video, and that is the second video. After that is the third video. So, please come here. It will be very fun, and you can see all the birds, animals, and you can even see crocodiles. But they are feared of us because we have only took and made them live here and give them food every daily. So they respect us. So they won't do anything to us. So don't be scared of the crocodiles. Come here and enjoy the day. It will be very, very beautiful with birds flying around, the sun, and all the things. And it's made out of 100% oxygen and nature. And all of the man-made things is only 20%. So come here, you'll enjoy the day a lot, and it will be the nicest day of your life. And then you can even enjoy here if you come at 1 o'clock or evening. If you come, you can see the beautiful sunset and go in the boats. And this is the beautiful sun right now in the morning. Evening at least 29 or 5 o'clock. So it will be very, very beautiful. So come and enjoy this endless enjoying trip. Bye. So like and subscribe my video first if you will enjoy, and then if you have gone, please comment in the comments if that you have gone. Bye.